Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search bar and type here troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. Now just scroll down and click on other troubleshooters, then click on internet connections and it will try to reset your internet connection. Now close this. Let's move to the next step. Again, go to search bar and type in cmd, run it as with administrator. Now these commands are really important. To avoid mistakes, just copy all commands from the description below and paste it on command prompt and hit enter to execute them. Here we go. Once done, close this command prompt. Again, go to the next step. Go to search bar and type settings. Click here to open it. Then go to network and internet. On the right side, just scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Again, scroll down, click on network reset and just simply click on reset now. It will take some time to complete this process. Once done, close this window and simply restart your system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.